Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a stylus for your iPhone or iPad with things at home. So let's get to it. Okay, so I'm broke, so I can't afford the Apple Pencil, so I'm going to make stuff at home because that's what I do. So get a Q-tip, it's one of these things. It's like a stick with cotton at the ends or whatever. And then go ahead and get some aluminum foil. You're just going to want to like wrap it around the stick part. So I'm going to go ahead and get aluminum foil. Okay, so I got the aluminum foil. I just have this big chunk of it. I'm going to wrap it around the stick. So go ahead and place it right under the cotton part and then just wrap it around. You can just tear off the extra part. So now there's aluminum foil right next to these two cotton parts. If it stays on there, then it's good, but it's probably gonna move around. Like when you're applying pressure, it'll just like move the foil around like this. So what you're gonna do is get some tape. Okay, so I have some tape, not sponsored. And what I'm gonna do is just take some tape and then tape it to the stick. Now what I'm gonna do is just tape it. Now you're basically done. Okay, before you get your device, just get some water in like the sink or anywhere. And then you're gonna wanna like dip it a little. Not a lot, but it doesn't matter if you put a lot. There's some signs between like aluminum foil and cotton and fluid, I don't know. You didn't come here to learn about that, but now go ahead, get your device. You could just wipe it a little bit. And then you should be able to draw. This is something I made with my stylus. It's not really that good, but like, you know, it's a sunset, I don't know. So anyways, thanks for watching. I try to post tech videos 2 times a week, so please subscribe if you're part of the Not Sub Gang and hit the bell so you're notified when I post a new video.